We're on South Main here in downtown Memphis, and right behind us is the old Goldsmith building from the Don Newman picture of the 1950s with the facade covering this building. This building was built in 1901, and Goldsmith moved into it, having begun on Beale Street in 1870, a long time locally owned department store. This was the first department store in the South to have air conditioning, the first one to have an escalator. I worked here in the 1970s on the loading dock, so the whole central receiving portion of Goldsmith's was here, which eventually branched out into 6 different stores. This location closed in the 1990s, and then this whole area was a part of the Peabody Place renovation project from the Peabody Hotel all the way to Front Street to AutoZone headquarters, the largest urban restoration project in the country at the time. And now it's been repurposed into apartments, offices, museums like the Belts Museum of Asian Judaic Art or Center for Southern Folklore. The whole block is covered now with new use, and you'll see that the facade of the middle century came off, and you see the beautiful arched windows here in the design of the original building from 120 years ago.